So now we have a quick rapid fire segment with Lieutenant Colonel Prashant Mishra. There'll be few questions lined up, and sir, you have to answer the first thing that comes to your mind immediately. Shall we start?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. So what is the one thing that you love the most about being in the army, and maybe one thing that you hate? Hate may be a very extreme word, but you don't like about the army.
So the academy is the best thing about the army,
Right.
and the yes men are the worst thing about the army.
All right, great answer, sir. So if not a defense engineer, what would you rather be?
So I would have loved to be a distinguished professor in IBM brain computer project.
All right, sir. So your favorite subject in school?
It was English literature.
Ah, nice. So your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is that I'm not able to that at times I'm not able to control my anger. That is my
Right,
biggest
sir.
fear.
Okay. So if you could change one thing in your life, what would that be?
I would want to be a much better person as an officer right
Okay.
from the start.
Okay.
There are many things when I look back that I should have done, I did not do.
All right.
There are too many leadership things. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So what is the one thing that you like the most about this generation?
Oh, this generation, I see a lot of hope.
Right, sir.
There are a lot of interactions I have during my these motivational lectures, and I see a boldness in the current generation which was not there in my time.
Right, sir.
They are able to speak out their minds, and they are able to convey what they want to convey,
Right.
which is the first step towards leadership. So we were not so good speakers like you guys. I mean, you guys really know how to speak, how to carry yourself, how to convince. That's one thing that I like the best.
All right, sir. So what is the first thing that you do when you wake up in the morning?
Make my bed.
All right, sir. So what motivates you to wake up every day?
Every day, it's those dreams. I have got many dreams.
Right.
So I have to do too many things, and there's too less of time.
Right,
So every
sir.
day I wake up, I have targets in front of me,
Right.
and all of them are so exciting that it makes me happy to think about them.
Right, sir. So what is the biggest challenge you had to face when you were in the army?
The biggest challenge was when we were deployed in the Operation Parakram, that was post the Parliament attack.
Right.
And we were fully prepared for war. In fact, we
Right,
lost
sir.
700 people. Just for your information, during Kargil, we lost 527 people. And
Wow.
during Operation Parakram,
Right, sir.
the 8 months deployment on the border,
Right, sir.
when we were fully prepared for an all-out war with Pakistan, we
Okay.
lost 700 people. So it was a
Wow.
very difficult time. It was a very
Wow. All right, sir. So has any movie or TV show or any documentary inspired you?
Yeah, so Star Trek is my favorite.
Wow.
Those old series, yeah, I
Right,
watch it
sir.
again and again. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So if you would get 15 minutes of fame, what would you do in those 15 minutes?
Probably I would want to actually give out a best motivating speech of my life
Wow.
to the young generation of our country,
Right, sir.
and tell them what we oldies, because once you cross 50 years, you have become an oldie, would want from them.
Right, sir. So your most fond memory of studying abroad?
Yeah, that was about loitering about outside on the outskirts of Oxford.
Right.
The countryside, the gently sloping grasslands, and
Wow.
those trees and all that, they are wonderful.
That's beautiful, sir. So, sir, if you had any superpower, what would that be?
Oh, I would want to be like Wolverine of X-Men.
Oh, damn.
You are able to repair yourself. You have
Right,
got
sir.
I mean, I equate him with Bhishma Pitama, who had Iksha Mrityu. I mean,
Yes.
a guy who would die when he wants
Right,
to die,
sir.
you know. I would like to have that power.
Great, sir. So, sir, that's all for the rapid fire round. That's how we wrap it up. Thank you so much, sir, for joining. It has been an absolute pleasure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thank you.
All right.